Okay, in this video, I just wanted to show you how quick and easy it is to make an inbound AI voice-powered receptionist that you can use for your business or your client's business, whatever it is, using synthFlow in just a few minutes. So first thing you want to do is log in, and you're going to see the assistant screen to start with. Go up to the top right and click Create, then press Assistant. Next, click the Quick Assistant Setup in the middle here, and this is going to be going through an entirely new onboarding flow to make it really simple for you to do. So click Inbound Receptionist. Next page, we're just going to use our synthFlow URL, and once you put this in, we're going to send a bot to our own site to scrape some key info so your receptionist has some key information about your business. Let's click Scrape Website. I'm going to replace this company name with synthFlow. And in 1 second, this will be completed. Once it's done, you'll see this green tick here. Your assistant now knows about your company. So you scrape the website down and we have some information that can be used on the call. For the voice, we're just going to leave it as female. Let's click Next. Select a phone number. If you haven't got one already, go to twilio.com and buy a phone number. And we're going to assign it to here we go, a free one that we have here. Next, if you want to install any custom actions at this point, you can, but we're going to leave this blank for now. You can do real-time booking, call transfers from your receptionist to a human, or post-call extract to take out information from that call and pass it on to your CRM, email, or whatever it is you want to do. For this tutorial, we're just going to go through and click Next. Now you're going to go ahead and connect your CRM. You can use synthFlow or Go High Level currently, and maybe if you're watching this video sometime into the future, you're going to have HubSpot here too. We're going to use synthFlow. Click Next. And now if you want to test your assistant, you can call this number directly, but we're just going to click Finish. And you're going to have a fresh inbound receptionist created in just a couple of minutes. If you want to dive into how this is configured, click Configure. You can change the language. We have a voice here called Phoebe. You can scroll down and select more voices. For instance, one of the ones I like to use is Lucy. Let's use that. Let's select it to English. If you wanted to check the prompt, you can, but we've completed this for you. It just goes through some step-by-step conversational guidelines about how they should conduct the call to book an appointment, getting information, handling specific questions, confirming the callback details, etc., etc. If you wanted to test it, go and select a phone number from here, enter your name, enter a phone number, and press call. Phone's ringing. Hello.
Hey, you've called to synthFlow. How may I assist you today?
Hi, I was just looking if I could book a callback with somebody to tell me about the product, if possible.
Of course. I'd be happy to arrange a callback for you. Can I get your...
Okay, and that's the simple way to set up your own inbound AI-powered voice receptionist in just over 3.5, 4 minutes. Hope you enjoyed it.